Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video on this channel, Injection Football TV. Make sure you like. So the new test I'm bringing you today is that Hlompo Kekana said on Samkelo Zwane. Former Melody Sundowns captain Hlompo Kekana believe Samkelo Zwane has enough quality to get into the Bafana squad this season. Kekana spoke about the 22-year-old midfielder ahead of Amakosi Kufa Cup match against Moromo Gallants, where Zwane was starting alongside with Njabulo Blom. The player turned SABC analysts believe that Samkelo Zwane could take a massive step in his career under Nabi this season. I fancy young Samkelo Zwane to be the player that they can rely to in terms of being on the ball more, he said. Hlompo Kekana. This is a player that I believe this coming season he should be in the Bafana team because of the quality that they possess. He knows how to play the long and the short passes. He knows how to play in the half spaces. This is a player that I believe is complete and needs to be guided properly, and they've been got a nice coach in Nabi. And I look how the way things have been going from the first match to the Mamelodi Sundowns match. I believe this is a team that is going to compete and is going to cause a lot of trouble for other teams. So if you are new here on this channel, please don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video on this channel, Injection Football TV. Make sure you write your thoughts in the comment section.